Thank you for taking some time for yourself. As you find a comfy spot, I invite you to take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Perfect. And with each breath, can you feel yourself becoming more relaxed and at ease? Notice how your body begins to soften, releasing any tension as you settle into this moment. Can you focus your attention on your breath, feeling the air as you inhale and the gentle release as you let it all go? Perfect. In this moment, you're safe. And it's perfectly okay to just be. Have you noticed how your breath has started to slow down? And your heart rate like a gentle drumbeat, guiding you deeper into relaxation? With each breath, can you feel the weight of your thoughts becoming lighter, drifting away like clouds in the sky? Imagine a gentle wave of calm washing over you, soothing every part of your body. It feels so good. From the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Perfect. Now allow your attention to be drawn to the sensations in your body. Can you feel how your forehead relaxes, your shoulders drop and your limbs grow heavy, maybe even a little warm? You can selectively focus on these sensations, noticing how they shift and change with each breath, deepening your sense of peace. I wonder if you can embrace this feeling of calmness, letting it wrap around you like a warm blanket. Each breath you take can allow you to sink deeper into relaxation. Absorb this peaceful experience fully. Perfect. And as you continue to breathe, you might start to wonder whether you can truly let go of everything that no longer serves you. Just imagine how freeing it would feel to release those burdens and simply be in this moment. Now, as you sink deeper into this relaxed state you've created for yourself, I want you to know this time is yours. There's no rush. Nothing else matters. Right now, you're here to explore being relaxed without judgment or pressure. And as you go deeper into this relaxed state, allow yourself to embrace this. This time is yours. Nothing else matters right now. You're here to explore. And as you take this journey inward, can you sense how liberating it is to let go? You don't have to worry about whether you might cause something terrible to happen. It isn't necessary to be absolutely sure you haven't made a mistake. It isn't important to question whether everyone will be safe before you can relax. And as you continue to breathe, notice how well your body responds. You don't need to be concerned if that strange feeling of stress makes you think there's danger. Without realizing it, you've already navigated situations without the need for rituals to ensure nothing bad happens. You don't need to be concerned if you haven't avoided certain situations just in case. Let your thoughts come and go like leaves floating down a stream. Just allow the thoughts to pass without questioning whether you might have already caused a problem. Without really trying, you'll find yourself relaxing, effortlessly letting go of the urge to double check everything. Just allow yourself to let go without any effort. You'll realize nothing bad's gonna happen. In this space of exploration, feel how simple it is to be present, embracing this moment of peace without any resistance. I wonder if you'll allow yourself to be fully immersed in the sensations of relaxation and calmness that surrounds you. Perfect. Remember those carefree days when we were kids and the weather was just right for playing outside? Felt like we didn't even notice the hours flying by, completely lost in the joy of exploration and laughter. Every day was like a new adventure. We're always willing to do something different, whether it was hanging out with mates in the backyard or catching the latest cartoons. Do you recall the thrill of someone rocking up with a brand new tennis ball? And all those hilarious contraptions with the ball tied to a string that you could hit round and round? We absolutely love those. Carousels at the local fair, pony rides, race tracks, everything seemed to spin and twirl, inviting us to dive in. It was a wonder we didn't get dizzy from all those circles, but those were the best times. We were perfectly content, embracing the silliness and fun, always ready to try something new, no matter how loopy everything felt. We chose to embrace that sense of calm whenever we felt anxious. We could easily let go of any worries that came to mind. I knew someone once who experienced a moment of clarity when they realized they could trust themselves to manage their thoughts. Now, I'm not sure you're aware how special you are. There's something called subtle organizing energy fields. These fields work just below the speed of light and help turn tachyon energy into the frequencies needed for growth, organization, and creating perfect forms. Tachyon energy is everywhere and limitless. It's like a cosmic pulse that holds all the information needed to create perfect forms in the universe. Inside this tachyon energy is all the information necessary for all living beings. For example, everything that happens in the human body already exists in this energy and its potential perfect state. A great example of this can be seen in animals. Wild animals that live without human influence often enjoy completely healthy lives. Mammals can have lifespans that are up to 7 times their growth period. For us humans, that would mean living a healthy life for 140 years. Of the thousands of chronic diseases that affect us humans, only a few are seen in those wild animals. This is mainly because wild animals don't block the natural flow of energy. This flow, called energetic continuum, moves energy from the limitless 0-point energy into the faster-than-light tachyon form. This energy works with subtle organizing energy fields, helping to balance and energize living beings. And this process helps create the energetic structure which all physical forms develop, moving from one level of organization to the next. Every living being feels this flow of energy, and you too, even if you're not aware of it. It's almost like chaos is the catalyst that guides us from one level of order to the next, with energy playing a small role in this transformation, enabling us to navigate daily life and improve our overall well-being. So remember, you're a vital part of this complex web of energy. Your unique energy contributes to the natural chaos of existence and the beautiful dance of life itself. That's how special you are. And I'm not quite sure what time of day it is for you right now, but a good way for me to think about it is that it's probably the perfect moment for bedtime, lunch, or maybe even breakfast. Time can be so flexible, can't it? It shifts and flows. And sometimes it feels we're caught in loops of endless thoughts. Many people find they can breathe easier when they focus on what's right in front of them. Can feel absolutely brilliant not to move, not to talk, just be away from those loops, stepping into a dynamic pulse that creates internal order. You are starting to feel more relaxed and at ease right now. Isn't it wonderful to discover in this space you can allow yourself to embrace feelings of safety in your environment? What if you could give yourself permission to enjoy this present moment without hesitation? You can find joy in everyday experiences, can't you? Even when it used to feel overwhelming. Isn't it comforting to embrace the idea that it's okay to feel anxious sometimes? It's all part of being a dynamic human. How freeing it is to know you don't have to let uncertainty dictate your actions anymore. You can feel a deep sense of relaxation flowing through your body now. What if you could recall a memory where you felt completely at peace and allow that feeling to wash over you? Just allow yourself to be here, now, in this moment. And as you take a moment to soak in these suggestions, you might start to feel the grounding energy of the earth beneath you. You can have a specific experience of this connection, noticing how it supports you and helps anchor you right here in the present. Now picture a safe place, your very own mental image, where you can always return whenever you need a bit of comfort or solace. This space is uniquely yours, filled with warmth, security, and peace. And with each breath, you can allow this image to become clearer, helping you be more at ease. And later, if you find yourself in a stressful situation, you can just take a deep breath and tap into this sense of calm you've created for yourself. Perfect. What if in those moments you could simply remind yourself of this peaceful state? You've got the ability to let tranquility guide you through any dynamic challenges that come your way. As you allow this to settle within you, notice how the sense of calm and control grows stronger with each moment. You're in charge of your thoughts and feelings, and you have the power to choose this inner peace as those tiny bits of chaos come and go and create a new level of order. And when you're ready, I'll count you back to full awareness. And with each count, you can feel a little more empowered. Carry this sense of calm and dynamic order with you back into your daily life. Ready? 1. Slowly becoming aware of your surroundings. 2. Feeling the energy returning to your body. 3. Stretching out, wriggling fingers and toes. 4. Take a deep breath, feeling refreshed. 5. Fully awake and open your eyes. Welcome back. You're perfect, just as you are.